In this video, I'll show you where to find and open Pine Editor inside TradingView. Pine Editor is the tool you use when you want to write your own Pine script code, create custom indicators, or test trading strategies directly on your chart. First, open TradingView and make sure you are inside a chart layout. You can open any chart, whether it's crypto, forex, stocks, or any other market. Once your chart is open, look at the right side of the screen. Near the bottom right area, you should see a menu icon that looks like a grid with small squares. Go ahead and click on that menu icon. Once you click it, a menu will appear with different TradingView products and tools. In this list, you should see options like screeners, Pine Editor, calendars, news flow, portfolio, and more. Now simply click on Pine Editor. After clicking Pine Editor, the editor should open, usually as a panel at the right of your TradingView screen. This is where you can start writing or editing Pine script code. You may also see a default script already loaded inside the editor. That's normal. You can keep it and modify it, or you can delete it and start with a blank script. The editor includes useful coding features like line numbers, color highlighting, and suggestions to help you write your script more easily. From here, you can create your own custom indicators, build trading strategies, and apply them directly to the chart you're viewing. Also, if Pine Editor area looks too small, you can resize it by dragging the top edge of the panel upward. And that's it. Now you know how to open Pine Editor in TradingView and start working with Pine script.